Offering an extremely economical alternative to conventional automated solutions for the metal removing production, ZeroClamp has developed a groundbreaking concept consisting of a combination of innovative clamping systems associated with mobile workpiece and tool magazines, plus a specifically optimized loading robot. Particularly, the easy access to all components allows a versatile integration of the system in almost any production environment. The mobile workpiece magazine is located in close proximity of the machine. This gives you the opportunity to use variable workpiece positions in all three axes. The loading robot equips the production plant not only with workpieces and clamping devices, but also with the tools required. It owes its high degree of flexibility to its automatically changeable workpiece gripper. As the workpiece magazine is compatible with lift trucks, it can be moved versatilely and quickly to various setup stations and production plants, thus delivering maximum benefits. Furthermore, in manual operation, the loading robot can lift workpieces and fixtures up to 100 kilograms. The Z-axis is controlled via an electronic hand wheel. The horizontal movement is carried out manually. Compared with the conventional setup procedure of your machine, due to shorter setup times, you do save time when using our zero-point clamping system, and that means you are saving hard cash. The fastening of the workpiece with screws, the positioning by means of T-slot nuts, the alignment as well as the zero-point determination are no longer applicable. Even a restart after an interruption of the machining cycle is possible without zeroing. Only the modular ZeroClamp system offers the substantial advantage of a high degree of production flexibility. Whereas other systems position the clamping devices via a cylindrical or conical clearance fit, the ZeroClamp solution acts as an HSK tool taper. Due to the elasticity of the interface, you obtain a zero backlash together with an axial face contact, absolutely without any backlash. At all, the ZeroClamp clamping system impresses by its sophisticated concept. The clamping system uses one only type of clamping bolt, thus offering enormous logistic advantages. The pallet is simply placed onto the open ZeroClamp chuck, without any risk of tilting, while spring elements keep the locking unit open by providing an air pressure of 6 bar in the air hose. When bleeding the air hose, ZeroClamp will position the workpiece with a high holding force and a repeatability of 2.5 thousandths of a millimeter. By the way, conventional systems often show a problem with regard to the thermosymmetrical aspect, insofar that thermal variations shift the workpiece out of the zero position. The reason for this is the use of zero bolts, free bolts, and floating bolts in the clamping system. This will not happen with the ZeroClamp system. The clamping cones integrated and vulcanized in the chucks are provided with radial springs, thus compensating any thermal dilation of the pallet. Even in the case of highest thermal variations, the pallet zero point will always remain within the center of the turning axis, an essential quality requirement not only for machining on rotary tables. Extremely little and simple components are a guarantee for an extremely high operational reliability. Even chips cannot adversely affect the functions. By fastening only one clamping bolt directly on the workpiece, thus saving further clamping devices, machining can be done much easier and yet much more economical. As the chucks can be supplied in various sizes and designs, you may be able to properly integrate the system into your production environment. In line with this, we will supply individual base units, which, on your request, shall be produced for your highly diverse machines. For the use of active clamping devices, the clamping table may be docked quickly and easily onto an already existing energy supply. In general, ZeroClamp may be thought of as a comprehensive, easy-to-handle modular system. In the case of 5-axis machining, we will provide you with appropriate auxiliaries, such as consoles that enlarge the distances to the clamping table. Suitably, in addition, we can supply the particular clamping accessories to be mounted onto the consoles. The supply of workpieces in automatic mode is often carried out with the help of a magazine, as shown here. The workpieces are here already clamped in a vise or on the pallet. Handling is carried out via a passive gripper. In order to provide a higher number of workpieces, these may also be kept in the magazine without clamping devices. Our active gripper then accurately handles them. This helps you, moreover, to save the acquisition cost for the numerous vices required. Of course, you may keep tools and active clamping devices too in the magazine, thus considerably increasing the tool magazine capacity of your machine tool and reducing setup times at the same time. The advantages mentioned may be ideally combined. Just load all workpieces, clamping devices, gripper, and tools required for a production cycle, thus realizing an optimum solution for an unmanned operation according to the principle, one rack, one job. The loading robot is programmed by means of an up-to-date 8-inch touchscreen, allowing to configure all processes with an easy-to-use menu. All machining processes can be programmed quickly and easily by means of the intuitive Teach-In function. These programs can be saved for future use. Small batch production also will be solved very economically. Depending on the production requirement, a second or third rack can be added to the one-rack basic version within the operating radius of the robot, thus increasing the machining capacity and the productivity accordingly. The machining flexibility will be increased again by the use of clamping bars available as an accessory. Contrary to the conventional NC vices, the clamping width is practically unlimited, and the system also allows multiple clamping of components. A wide range of jaws can complete the ZeroClamp modular system with its easy-to-use operation ideally. ZeroClamp offers all components required for the clamping of a high diversity of workpiece geometries, as well as for the automation of your machining processes from one single source. Our advanced systems, our customized solutions, and special products are adaptable to all common controls. ZeroClamp clamping systems and automation, a tailor-made and perfect solution for efficient and economic machining.